Alright guys, it's authentic right here, and this is the video tutorial for those that will be withdrawing their Paws tokens to BitGet exchange. Like as we all know, the Paws token withdrawal is live and active, right? So we have already done the tutorial for those that will be making use of Bybit. So this is for my BitGet family. And note, there's a very important information in this particular video. I think that was even the major thing that really prompted us to be doing this, right? So because a lot of people, if you can be able to withdraw to any exchange, you will definitely know how to do that to other exchanges. But where a lot of people are already in my DM asking me, I have multiple accounts and now we only have 2 available exchanges. How am I going to do the rest? What will be the fate of the rest? And so on and so forth. So that was one of the major reasons that prompted us to do this particular video, and we want to address that particular issue in this video, right? So but before we do that, let's first of all proceed and place our withdrawal for our second account, right? So for those that will make use of BitGet, the process is as simple as ABC. So once you're on your BitGet exchange, you come to this particular asset right here. Okay, so you tap on add funds at this center button right here, then click on deposit crypto. Click on deposit crypto, you wait for it to come up, then you search for Paws at the search bar. You can see Paws logo right here, you click on it. Okay, this is the details, but as we normally do, let me quickly head straight and get my user identity. So I come to this upper part of my profile. Then you can see UID right here. You can see some tiny codes right here that wrote UID. You tap on it, okay. So it started with 7.8 and ended with 80. So let me just take note, then we'll proceed back. Click on add funds, deposit crypto, wait for it to come up, then search for Paws. Okay, and you can see the address right here, and you can also see the network Solana right here. So tap on the address. It ended with DQ as well. So now let's head straight to the Paws dashboard, which is from our Phantom dApp browser, where we'll be accessing it, right? So let's wait for it to come up, then we do this. Give it some time, then it loads up, right? Okay, our Phantom is up and running, so we still follow the process. Come to this dApp browser at the ending part of your screen right here, the down part. Then you click on the search button as well. Then you still type paws.community. Just type Paws and they will do the remaining one for you. Okay, it's as simple as that. Then you click on paws.community. Okay, it's coming up. Wait for it to come up. Now you come to this particular place that they wrote TG dashboard. This particular TG dashboard, this is where you'll be coming, right? So you tap on it, then you choose Phantom wallet because you need to connect your wallet before you proceed. So you choose Phantom wallet, then click on confirm. Alright, scroll up a bit and let's do this. Sorry. So you scroll up a bit to get the next button, then you click on the next button right here and you will see your allocation. Okay, so come to this claim button. All right, so tap on claim, then check this button right here, which is the terms and condition button, then click on next. Then make use of this particular place that they wrote centralized exchange. So now let me quickly say this. For those that have multiple accounts, this is what you have to do. Withdraw your 2 most important accounts to Bybit and BitGet. Okay, your 2 most important accounts, withdraw them to Bybit and BitGet. Then on the day of listing, when they will enable this on-chain withdrawal, right, this particular on-chain withdrawal, then you will withdraw it to the wallet that you connected, right, which is the Phantom wallet that you connected. Then from that place you can be able to send it out to any exchange of your choice and sell it out from there. I hope this information helps, right? So this is just how to do it for everybody that has multiple accounts, because a lot of people have as many as 5, 10, 20, 50 and so on and so forth, right? So but possibly let's say some amount of gas fee may be applied or not, but we don't really know. But normally for on-chain withdrawals, gas fee used to be applied. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Withdraw your 2 most important accounts to centralized exchanges, which is Bybit and BitGet. Then leave the rest till when they open this on-chain withdrawal, possibly on the day of listing, so that you can withdraw it directly to the Phantom wallet that you connected, which is the Solana wallet you connected to it. Then from there you can send it out to exchanges. So more tutorial will still be available for you guys on that particular day. Okay, so with that being said and done, let's proceed with our exercise. So I'll click on centralized exchange right here. I've chosen Bybit in my first account, so I will be going with BitGet in my second account right here. I will tap on BitGet. I will say yes, I do. Then the first option is to place the user identity, and the second one is to place my deposit address. So let me go straight and paste the address first, because that's the last thing that I copied. So this is my Paws withdrawal address. So I'll tap on the user ID, BitGet user ID. I will put the user identity right here. Then I'll tap on continue. So they will just preview it for you to make sure that you already know what you're doing and you got it right. So once you're good to go, they say check your data, verify the data. You will not receive tokens if the information entered is incorrect. So just make sure you verify it very, very well. Then you tap on continue button, still click on confirm as well, which is the final step. Okay, now you can see that they say has been selected, BitGet. Then you tap on the finish button right here, as simple as that, and you will see what the right congratulations, which is congrats. The information is saved. Your tokens will be available for trading once the market opens. So you guys can see that all these buttons right here has been check marked to show that you have done everything that you're supposed to do. And you can see your details right here. You can see your details right here and your allocation right here. So that is just how to go about it, and all you have to know as it stands now. So do well to place your address and all your details right now, so that you will be among the first people that will be prioritized to receive their Paws tokens upon listing. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for staying around. Till I come your way next time. Keep winning and stay safe. Bye for now.